Every day comes with new things, and many times the way we spend our time determines the way whether we succeed in life or not. And therefore, this morning I just want to talk about time management. Uh, and so, what is time, and how comes all of us have the same number of hours, though others succeed and others fail? It means that the way we spend that time, that is a resource that God gave us, we end up spending it wisely, or we spend it, okay, we waste it. So time is a precious thing. So the way we spend it determines whether we succeed. The height we go in our lives will be determined by how we spend our time. So, for example, this morning I wake up early. I have to do my jogging for 20 minutes. We call it the power of 60. For the next 20 minutes, I'm to read a book or something else that will inspire me. And the third 20 minutes, I'm supposed to look at reflection, where I'll reflect on the things that I'm supposed to do this day, and then as well as what I'm going to achieve for the day. So the power of 60 is very critical. It determines how you power your day. Physically, you are safe, your mind is okay, and then the physical aspect of you is still okay. So you have been jogging, you have been thinking, and then finally, again, you have read something. So it makes you a better person. So as students of life and as students of charisma, students who are in secondary, students who are in high school, and even individuals who already have finished what they are doing, you'll find that the way you will spend your time will affect your grades. And therefore, my recommendation this morning is that even if you don't look at the power of 60, avoid the time wasters, which are like every time being on social media. Number two, spending a lot of time chatting with others. Number three, going to school and you're not concentrating on what the teachers are doing, thinking. It is important to seize the moment that is before you. By seizing that time, it means that you will be able to achieve much. Therefore, at Charisma today, we wish you a productive day. Spend your time wisely. This is a resource that once it's done, you can never recover it. And that is why I want to wish you well. I want to invite you to read with us. Thank you very much.